Hi everyone, my name is Danish Bhatia. I'm a student of National College of Ireland, and my topic for data warehousing project is on movies. I collected the data from sources, out of which the source is log5stat.com, from which I collected the data into the XLS file. It's a structured source. The second one is the Kaggle. The third one is the Twitter, and I have written the Twitter code, R code, to extract the tweets. And let's check whether it runs or not. And yes, as you can see, it has started to collect the tweets. I have only generated 100 tweets, not more than that, just in order to show you. So here you can see all the tweets have been generated, the scores have been generated. Now let's jump right into the SSMS or the SQL Server. Here is the star schema which I have used in my data warehousing. You can see on the left hand side here are a couple of dimension tables, the fact table and the staging table, which I will be using in the SSIS project. The truncation here is used to truncate all the tables, including the fact tables and the dimension tables. The second tab is used to populate the dimension tables from the staging tables. The third tab is used to populate the fact tables from the dimension tables, and the fourth tab is used to analyze the cube. You can deploy the cube in the SSIS also. Now let's check whether it runs or not. Hopefully it should run. Then we'll check whether the data is in the fact table or not. Let's refresh it once, and then let's check. So yes, you can see there is some data. Now let's go to SSAS. I'm so sorry for that. I'll deploy the cube once. And yes, the cube has been deployed successfully. Let's run it. Hopefully there should be no errors. Yeah, it's closed. Now let's check the section of the cube. Now if I have to examine whether the data for maybe artist, or for example the actor's name, group by, or maybe like acting score, something like that, you can do it in the browse section of this. In the above section you can show the hierarchy. Now let's jump to my BI queries. My first BI query is related to the duration in minutes and profit. Does the duration in the minutes of the movies has any impact, or is impacted by the profit earned by the movie? And it is grouped by the date and the IMDb score. Now say for example if I change the IMDb score to maybe 7 apart from 8, so the shape of the graph is something else. So you can always change the IMDb score. Say for example I want maybe 4. So you can see the blue one is for 4 and the yellow or this orange one is for 7. My second BI query is my second BI query is that which has the most profit, or rather in other words I should say which actor directors pairs movies has earned most profit. uh, so this particular thing is grouped by the categories, and the categories are like musical, thriller, horror, crime, etc, etc. So I have shown the two categories, where this is adventure and this is documentary. You can in fact change it from here or add it to maybe any other if you want it. So this can be done. My third BI query is related to the Oscar status, whether the director has earned any Oscar status, and the status is dependent upon the Facebook likes or not. Maybe higher Facebook likes of a director has earned the Oscar, or higher Facebook likes of a director has not earned the Oscar. So we can always filter it. Say for example, I want the directors who have higher filter, higher Facebook likes, and those directors who have actually earned the Oscar are the directors who have these particular Facebook likes, and the status is yes, they do have earned Oscar awards in year 2007. And this all graph is shown in my report. So that was the graph we just saw regarding my first BI query, and this was the graph we just had a look. The third BI query looks like this. Thank you so much.